These are some of my favorite practice flippers. We'll start with some of the more basic ones, like this moon boat. This one has nice circles in the area here. There's really no tools or anything. Nice heavy paddles and a nice lock. It's just got a lot of the features that you're looking for, and it's economical. I guess similar is this one with a little bit different pattern. A little flatter, a little thinner, more like a little quicker. But that one is an inexpensive one as well. Kind of moving up probably would be this crazy rainbow color one with a curve to it. I don't have too many with curves, so I figured I would try this one. And as much as it looks different, it really doesn't flip much different, but it does flip differently because it's all metal and it has a great look to it. It locks good closed and it locks good open, which isn't necessarily the same on all of them. I like it's got a real positive lock too. When you squeeze it, it pops, and it's kind of not enough room here to flip, but it pops on both directions. Overall, really impressed with this one. Then I guess we get to this one, which has sort of the closest thing to a blade, although it's not. And this one is also metal and kind of flat, very loose. This one is very lightweight and very loose, almost feels like plastic. This one has a lock, but it's a very flippy, flappy lock. Easy to flip, makes a lot of noise. So that takes us to these two, and this is a tough one. So I'll go with this one since I bought this one first. Doesn't have a lock, which is annoying. I really like having a lock. But this one is so fun to flip. This one is really a flipper. So this one has a tool. It has a bottle opener here and kind of this crazy shape. So this one is super easy to flip. It comes with more bearings and stuff, and these are aluminum metal handles, but they are easy to hold on to. They've got enough texture to have some grip and a lot of fun. Makes a lot of noise too. Then this one I think is going to be my favorite, and this one has a lot going on. There's these grips, which are like G10 or something, micarta, and they're very easy to hold on to. They're almost like holding on to coral. The blade has some it's not a blade, but this part has some tools on it, a pry bar and a screwdriver and a little wrench. Makes it kind of useful. But this one has great bearings, great dimensions. The only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't lock open or closed very well at all, and it does open, or it does lock open with a positive release, which is nice. So probably my overall favorite, and you can really play around with this one. So that is some of my favorite flippers. Hope this helps.